we go, guys. Not going back no more. Nothing leaking?
No, nothing yet. Nothing.
Alright, fellas. It's start time. Let's go.
Over here, Pops. It's gonna be loud. Ladies and gentlemen, cover your baby's ears.
Hey, fool, rev it, fool. Rev it, fool. Come on, just rev it one time.
Just rev it, fool.
For the vlog, fool. Come on. Do it. Come on, fool. One time. Just no, just like rev it. Damn, fool.
Don't get it. I just want to hear it.
It's got a supercharge.
That's not a fucking rev, bro.
One more time. Hold on. Let's cut this. Let's go. Hit it. Oh, damn. That's a good one. Hey, sounds really good.
Yeah, that shit sounds hella good. I'm gonna delete the...
Nice car, bud.
What? So see, it has a crack?
We're gonna try to race.
There's a crack already. Does it pop when you...
This guy
for that.
against this car or that car. We're gonna try to race him.
I wanna race this
Yeah,
car.
it's gonna set you up. Not with the Chrysler, bro. Like
I wanna race that one.
300.
That one right there.
It already has 300 horsepower.
I wanna race that one over there.
That one?
Yeah.
The neighbor said he has no gas. Can't do it, bud.
Oh, you doing a rap right now? Yeah. Rap.
Yeah.
You're doing a rap.
Strapping it up.
Oh, we don't care about that shit.
Oh,
It's gonna
it's
get
not gonna
covered.
show, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, look at this.
It's hiding, cool.
Damn, we got another beast that showed up out of nowhere. My cousin just purchased this car. What's up, cuz?
And when he's driving, he's like, oh, driving the car.
Turbo down there, as you guys can see. Honda.
I can't hear it though. I can't hear the turbo. I can't hear it. Can you hear it, too?
Damn.
I gotta dump off the car, I gotta get it realigned.
Nah.
Yeah, 'cause I tried to get it aligned earlier, but the tire went
Oh, just move. The guy wouldn't fucking turn it.
Later, dude.
I was already at my grandma's house.
See? Bye, guys.
Hey, I'll hit you up when you're ready, okay? See you, cuz.
Later, folks.
Hey, don't blow yourself up, period, alright?
Hey, don't blow. Let me just hear it a little bit.